Hey guys, you can see the wolves are all over the trail, back and forth. Missed on one post back there, but as I come around the corner, I can see one right up here. Looks like a pretty healthy dog. I didn't catch one in the other post. So there's another post right up on the corner there. But looks like a pretty good one right here. I'm gonna take a couple pictures of them. Yeah, so it looks like it snowed last night, so this was this morning, but yeah, pretty excited about that. Can't remember if this was an anchor or anyway. I'm going to dispatch them and I'll take a couple more pictures. Thing's dark in the face. About time I was getting a little bit frustrated there for a sec. Our weather this year has been pretty tough on us. Just trying to keep gear working and not buried. But so I like this frontal shot right between the front legs, right under the chin. That's a pretty good shot. I'll was hoping I'd have one right up on that corner up there too, but we didn't, so. But I hate picking them off one at a time because it makes them smart. But generally when you catch one and they hang like this, they hang around, that's somebody pretty important. So they usually won't do that for a pup. They'll just run off and leave her. But so I'm guessing I have this iced in. Oh, that's a dark wolf, dark gray. Huh? But yeah, female. So I've trapped this post for quite a few years, but it's hard to catch them on it because it overflows like a son of a gun here. And this year it hasn't been, but so yeah, we'll throw it in the sled and I ain't even gonna dig that up. I'll dig that up tomorrow. And then come back here and collect urine. There's a pee post right back there that I actually stopped at. Because I thought I was gonna grab some urine off it. And then I was like, you can do that later. See what you got going up here. So I kind of expected to have one back at that other post, but so I missed about 4 times on this post where they came up and just not quite. This ain't a very big dog. You can see they chew, so the paw's not damaged. It's the froze in. We were 26 below this morning, so let me pull her back a little bit. Yeah, that paw is froze. So there's a couple spots in here where I've always wanted to snare, but you can see what I got to deal with. I usually get a lot of moose in here, and I just can't put those snares in here, so I end up doing what I'm doing here and just putting P-posts in as long as I can. Like I said, most of the time I can't get away with it very long, and it'll you know, this is that spot where it's usually running for your life overflow, but not this year for some reason. Oh, come on, big girl, get in there. Oh, baby. 80 pounds maybe? Something like that. So there's 13 in this pack, and there is a really pretty black and a really pretty blue. Now there's 12. You know what? So they never made it to this post up here. Damn it. So there's a post right here. Oh, post right there. I'll deal with that tomorrow too.